Hey, all right. Good morning. Let's get it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Legacy family. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning to the entire world. I hope you guys are as thrilled to be here as much as I am, because I know and I trust that today is going to be a great day in the markets for all of us. Let me get this going. So for the people on YouTube, you're going to hear other voices other than my own on this stream. No, I'm not talking to myself. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. With that being said, the Legacy Wealth Society is a trading community helping new traders and seasoned traders actually get real profits from the markets. With that being said, stay safe in the markets. Let's dive on these charts, see what we got going on so we can prepare for this session. Alrighty, what we got here? So we're currently above the close from yesterday. Close from yesterday was at 811. 811 for the close from yesterday. We got the VWAP down there at the 813 level as well. So we're currently above the VWAP, close from yesterday, hanging out around this 21 EMA right now. Yeah, we're just gonna have to see what we honestly get. Looking for some solid moves today. I want some solid moves. Yesterday I kind of rushed on some of my trades, so I'm trying to not do that again today. So I will be trying, keyword trying, to wait the first full 15 minutes for this session before taking a trade. But I will trade some of my funded accounts with Apex in between that 15 potentially, and then I'll trade like my more serious accounts after the 15-minute range is set. Oh man, oh man. Did everyone have a good night last night? Because I definitely did. All right, 9:22. Still got 8 more minutes for market open here. Like, I'm in a whole vibe today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in a whole vibe. Like, the YouTube channel now has over 60,000 views in a month. That's crazy. And it's crazy because it just shows that consistency that truly pays off. Because I started the YouTube 2 years ago, but I wasn't really posting consistently. And honestly, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to even be posting on YouTube. But now that I've figured it out and got it dialed in, it's definitely starting to pay off, and I'm excited about that. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you on this fine day, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
It's another day in paradise, man. I'm excited to be here. Right. Another opportunity to make some money a day.
Same here, man.
That's all we can ask for.
1,200 more bucks, and then I get another funding account.
Okay.
So we'll try to see if we can get that done today.
Okay. Well, depending upon how the market moves, if it's moving like yesterday, don't push it. You know what I'm saying?
Right. I won't. Right. That's what I'm looking at. I've been looking at the market since, early on the day. So.
Okay. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Morning, Steve. How's it going?
Going good. How are you?
All right. Can't complain.
We're going to make some money a day. I'm excited.
10 o'clock news.
We have 10 o'clock news. Trump is speaking at 11 today as well.
And then Duane is going to speak through this whole process. So it's the holy trifecta. We're above the VWAP.
We are above the VWAP.
We have a pivot point above us. Oh boy. There's like silence. Is it calm before the storm, or should we be reverent?
No. I was sending a text message. My apologies.
Okay, he was like, everybody's like heads are bowed.
No.
And my man G, he made a G yesterday, so holla at him.
Yep. Let me hold $1. That's it. Welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome. Stay safe in the markets today. No, I'm ready. I reflected on my performance yesterday.
So that was that mirror that I saw in the background.
That it was, sir. That it was. Because I was just looking at how I was trading yesterday. I'm like, why was I pushing? You know what I'm saying? There's no reason to push. Good morning, Moose. Welcome.
Hey, Moose.
Morning.
So I'm gonna try not to push as hard today as I was yesterday. And just wait for those A++ setups. Because as it sits, I'm going to try to go for the biggest payout I've gotten in a month for October. So that's my goal. I want something crazy too for the month of October. So I rather make the goal super big and push for it. If I fall short just slightly, we're still like happy about it.
Go big or go home. That's how he talks in the weight room, but it's only when he's got the snack machine.
We're coming back down to this. Oh, never mind. Popped it right up there. Never mind. I was getting ready. Well, actually, we did tap that VWAP before it did that weird little pop. So currently at the VWAP, so we may have a VWAP open today. We do have news today as well. We have a pivot point above us at the, what level was that? 836. 836 for the pivot point. Closed from yesterday, 811. So we're literally close to that one. So I'm sure we're going to tap that pretty quick at open here. Crazy to say, but we crossed 60,000 views on YouTube for the month of September so far.
That's good.
Crazy.
Keep it up, man. Consistency.
Yep. Trying, man. I'm trying to grow this community. I'm trying to grow and help as many traders as possible, because this is by far the best thing anyone can do. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no, I agree. The root of this experience is something different, man. It's like, it's not in the short term, but it's creating a system so you can consistently win.
And that's it. Like, I wish I would have learned this when I was in high school, to be honest with you guys. My life would have been so much different.
I wish I would have learned this when I was in high school. They have the damn ticker tape running.
All right, market's open. Market's officially open.
Market is open.
Let me put a 15-minute timer. If not, I start jumping in crazy.
Moose
Yeah.
is making his eggs. It's 15-minute eggs.
Trying to sit on my hands. If I see something, I'll take it on my Apex account. But I wait for my Tradeify till 9:15 or 9:45. 9:45.
Order filled.
Pretty much. Pretty much. All right, drop below that close from yesterday.
Doing the VWAP.
Let's see if we tap in and keep pushing down more.
Where is it heading toward the downside, do you think? If it keeps going down.
Well, 1 second.
You got it.
I jumped in a trade, and I want to be a sharpshooter if I need to close it.
I knew it.
I said I'll take a trade on my Apex. I did say that.
Oh, okay. Because it doesn't count. It doesn't count.
Exactly. I don't really care about the Apex as much.
You care about everything. Your diligence shows, sir. Dun, 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 dun. Consolidation.
I want to see it rip through here. Did not get that rip through that I wanted. Let's see. Closed out 425 right there on that trade. We already pushed through
1400 on that trade.
Was that your funded?
Yep. No, on my
Eval.
my eval, yeah.
So you're done. You're done with it.
How many contracts do you jump in at once?
Huh?
How many contracts do you jump in at once?
I jump in 4 contracts.
4 contracts?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I trade.
Oh, okay, yeah. I because I only put like 1. All right, cool. I got you. But then you gotta jump in, make sure it's tight, because if not, then you have your drawdown would be charged.
Yep.
And it's still going down.
So you passed that one.
No. That okay. That's the wrong one. That's because I had 2 evals.
Okay. Hey, 1400 still 1400. So it doesn't matter what it's in. 1400 is 1400.
Right. I'm done with that. I'm done with that eval account for today.
Okay. I recommend you doing that. Good job.
Going down, baby. Oh my gosh.
All right, 425 in one account. Still got 2 other Apex accounts that are funded. That if I see something, I may take it, but right now I'm just waiting to see something. But I'm honestly excited to trade my Tradeify accounts because I'm working on another payout with them for this week. So I'll do my YOLOing on my Apex account, since with those you have to trade for 8 days. So Welcome to the stream for the people on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. Where are you tuning in from? You will hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Morning.
Nelson.
How you doing? How you doing?
Morning, Dave.
Morning, bro.
Right on. Now the party could start.
Oh yeah, we were waiting for you, Dave. We were waiting for you. G took a trade in your honor. That's what he said he was doing this morning.
Okay.
1,400 at that.
Oh man. Good job, bro.
Don't worry. Next one. I'm good. It's starting to make its way back up now, but I'm ready for the uptrend as well too.
Listen, we make money when the market goes down and up, so
Right.
we don't complain.
At all.
Right now, I'm just waiting, to be honest. I already made 425 in one of my funded accounts today, so I'm just waiting for another opportunity here to make some more money. But my Tradeify accounts, I'll trade those at 945 for those. And if you're trying to trade with Tradeify, make sure you use the code LWS. LWS. That will get you the best discounts that they have available. Lots of selling pressure. And since we're hitting these lows right here, we're going to, if we keep hitting the lows, going down, pushing up slightly, I may try taking a short here. But I want us to touch the low just like that. I want to see it pop up just slightly and then keep going down some more. There's a slight pop up.
Yeah, test it.
We still have about 7 minutes.
Yep, about 7.
Well, let me close that one. I did not get the fill I wanted, but I still made 160, so no complaints there. No complaints there. Let me rotate to the next one. Yesterday I was pushing too hard. So today
you're trading so hard today, your sleeves fell off.
Listen, like they literally after that first trade they just came off. I was holding the wall and they just fell off. I don't know what happened. Let's see if we're going to do it again. Tap that low, pop up. All right, there's that slight pop up. I don't want on the wrinkles. I don't want to see it too aggressive for the pops up. Just a little bit of green to keep going red.
Otherwise, it's like too reactive. It gets spring back.
Yeah. Be careful down here as well. We want the momentum. If you're trying to take it short, make sure there's momentum. $9.40. 5 more minutes now, gentlemen.
Building out a bull flag on the 2 minute.
looking at the 2 minute, looking at that 5 as well.
Oh yeah, 5 minute as well. That candle's so fresh, so I don't even try to look at that until later because you're sitting there and it'll change, you know?
Yeah. Dave, what? Go ahead, Steve.
On my 5 second candle, it's going off. No, I'm just kidding.
Dave, have you been trading over the road or not so much?
Nah, not as much.
Okay.
I've been trying though, but not as much.
Okay.
Yeah. I just kind of wait till I get back home.
No, I understand. Trust me, I get that one.
Yeah, it's kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I got nothing but respect for you for even trying while driving over the road. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that in itself is a whole mental thing. You know what I'm saying?
It's so all encompassing. I have nothing but respect for D2 because it's man, that's a commitment.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
One more minute, guys.
Yep. Yeah, I feel like this is the longest 15 minutes of my life right now. Let's see. Where are we going if we close this 15 down here? We have a pivot point all the way down at 696. So that could act as a magnet if we keep going down here. We stalled out right here at the lows from the overnight session. So
And that's offering good support. But we'll break it if we need to.
well, we did break through it because it's at the 755 level. So we did break through it, but then we got bought right back up. So
I'm looking at the 741.
we got that 21 EMA. Looking at my 2 minute chart up there at the 795 area, 794-ish, I'll say. So let's see if we pop up there. Let's tap that. We got the VWAP above that as well at 802. 802 for the VWAP.
Favorite, it's called running the channel, right, Duane? Running the channel. You got the VWAP on one side, the EMA on the other side.
Pretty much, they're close to each other. So I want to see if we go up, tap them, get rejected. That'll let us know we're going to be trending down. But if we tap and we push through it, then we could be looking to start heading back up. So,
or we could bounce around in the middle of it for about 45 minutes while you cry and weep openly on YouTube.
that could happen too, but hopefully
there was that one day it was like point up, point down, point one.
All right, so we tapped that 21. We did not tap the VWAP.
I thought about it.
not try to touch anything until we get maybe above that VWAP. Since we're right here with the 21 in the VWAP, I want to see how we react off of these. It's officially it's been 9:45 now, coming up on 9:46 now. So the range that we have today, another small range, a little bit better than yesterday's range, but still a small range here. We got about, for this range, almost 100 points, a little bit less than that. So beggars can't be choosers, I'll say.
But Legacy Wealth Society can't be victors.
Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome. Waiting for a move here. We got 10 o'clock news today. We're currently hanging out around this VWAP and 21 EMA. So just waiting to either push up or push down. We got to do something. No reason to push or rush. Already up over close to $600 for the day in the first 15 minutes. So we'll take that. But there's no rush.
Order filled.
Want to see some movement with momentum. We got those wicks on those candles, letting us know that the bulls are trying to push. Not trying to take a trade until we get above that VWAP for a long here. Because I don't want to tap it and then get rejected and then be in a trade.
Because like you say, it acts as a magnet. So you take it and then it reverses.
We popped up above that VWAP and then instantly rejected right there.
Good.
So that's why we're waiting.
And I know you always get into semantics, but we're almost in the middle of this thing keeps going down. So
Yep.
Like I'll be like, it's in the middle. Actually, Steve, it's not in the middle. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 4 points
Yep.
off.
786 is the middle of that 15-minute range. 786. All right, so we did reject that off that VWAP.
The doodle and the noodle. All right.
Alrighty. We didn't get through that VWAP. And that's what we were kind of waiting to see. We wanted to see if we were going to be able to push through it. The bear said not today. Not today. We're below that middle of the 15-minute range now.
We don't diddle in the middle.
We do not diddle in the middle. That is correct, sir. I want to see us punch through here. $335 on that trade. All my Apex accounts are green on the day. So let's rotate over to our Tradeify accounts. Let me actually jump on my Tradeify just to make sure this is the one I want to be trading first. It is.
So I just realized something.
Yes, sir.
So I took a sell, right? And I was watching it come back down. I was like, all right, cool. I want to place another position, right? And the sell,
Yeah.
even though it's the same direction, it kicked me out the first sell. You get me?
Yeah.
So I was down on one, right? I was not down, but I had to put a sell.
Yeah.
Then I saw my retracement coming back down. I was like, good. I'm gonna jump in another one, and they'll both start marking, right? It kicked me out for my first one and continued me in the second sell. That's not cool.
You're trading. I don't trade on Tradeify. Not Tradeify. TradingView. So I don't know how their platform works.
Via Tradeify. The TradingView is just the platform. You got me?
Yeah, no, I get that. You should be able.
Son of a cockroach. I would have had way more now. Oh, I'm so mad.
Woosah.
You see, I'm beyond mad. I would have made like double the money. So I guess I got to jump in.
Ooh.
2 contracts at the same time.
Wow. That came out of nowhere.
Was that like the pre-news excitement?
I don't know what that was, but wow.
That was more athletic than I've seen anything.
Okay, so I tried closing a quick little scalp there. Lost 170 when it was in the green like 200. That's how quick it did the little nonsense there. But that's all right. All right, $30 in the profit now. We'll take that. Should have held for longer because, man, that bad boy is coming on down.
Damn. Where's my man G?
Right here.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
He made that $1,400, so he's just chilling now.
Yeah, yeah, not even. He's got other. He can blow his sim up. He's got 17 evals he's running.
I'm at 1200 on my sim, so I've been messing around a little.
Cool.
Man, trying to look for another spot to jump in.
Yeah, I'm probably. We got 5 minutes for this news.
Yeah, that seems like like somebody got excited about the news and said, "News, click."
It just did that. It did that quick drop. I was like, whoa.
Yep.
It did it twice.
I want to see if we actually build out like a bear flag, because if we do, then I may take it. All right. Bull's trying to push up here. Which we'll take. Up for the day, just over $800 for the day so far. It's only been less than 30 minutes, so we'll take it. Welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome. The voices you hear me talking to, no, they're real people. They're part of the Legacy Wealth Society.
DPC trading robot.
All right, 3 more minutes for this news to come out. 3 more minutes for the news. I recommend you not be in a trade at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Because we have no clue what direction the market's going to run in at 10 o'clock.
And
welcome to the stream.
Trump is speaking at 11 too.
Yeah, Trump's speaking at 11. We got news at 10. So don't
talk about at 10.
The news for 10 o'clock, I believe it was for jobs. Yep, the JOLTS job openings. So we got 2 minutes for that. Welcome to the YouTube stream. You're listening to the other voices other than my own. Those are members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community helping new traders, seasoned traders actually make real profits in the markets. Then we actually have news tomorrow as well, 8:15 and 10 o'clock. So we'll be on stream for that 10 o'clock. Won't be up for the 8:15. So. And then news again on the 2nd, news on the 3rd. Okay, so the next 3 days we got news. Well, today and then, yeah. So we'll take it. All right, less than a minute left. Less than a minute for 10 o'clock news. Bulls are trying to push this up right now. I'm going to stay flat. No reason to risk it. We have less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds for the news now. So get ready. Be prepared.
Going a little crazy.
All right, news is out. News is out. All right, just tap that VWAP. I'm going to stay flat, let the dust settle. We have that close from yesterday, 811. 811 for that close from yesterday. We're literally hanging out at the middle of this 15-minute range. So we know the same. We're not going to diddle in the middle.
No. No diddling in the middle. I'm patiently waiting.
Same here. Same here. All we can do. There's no reason to rush or anything like that. Hopefully we're not just going to be sitting around this middle for the rest of this session. Above the VWAPs just slightly. Let's see if we push away from it. We got that close from yesterday, 811, 811. Just hit that whole number, that 800 level. Are we going to get through that whole number? That's the question here. We got to clear this whole number area. Oh, Florida with the nice gloomy day, you know, gotta love it. Definitely not hitting the beach today.
Well, at least that storm is going away from us. That's what's going on. So.
Yep. Oh, we'll take it. We'll take it. My grass does not need any more rain. I'll tell you that. Well, I'm waiting. We haven't had a flag print yet. There's the 811 level. We push through and then we drop them right back down here. So be patient, wait for the move, wait for the flag, and wait for that momentum, gentlemen. See where we're going. We got the high of that 15-minute range up at 831 for the high of this 15-minute range. All right, so we rejected at that close from yesterday. Wow. Wowzers.
Wowzers. Is that like a technical trading term? Should I put that in my glossary?
If you want. Let's see what we get here off that rejection. Bulls are trying to hold this price up. Look at that wick. Right around this 21 EMA, 21 EMA. There we go. I'll take that. Let's go. Let's go, gentlemen. 470 in this account. Like, it's just moving in the right direction. That's all I can say.
330 on that one.
Good job, sir. Well, 330 is 330, baby. Make sure you're posting your results, win or lose, in the discussion. Okay.
How do you do it? Take a screenshot or something?
Yeah, you just take a screenshot. You know what I'm saying, and you post it. Be like, I made money, I lost money. It doesn't matter, because we're learning from each other, and because you gotta think, right? If you're trading just your own personal account and you win or lose, that's only you. You're only learning from your own trade. But when we're posting our trades, everything like that in the discussion, right? Other people are able to learn off of and see the results. You know what I'm saying? So say you have a losing day and someone else has a losing day. When they see that they're not the only one that had a losing day, they feel a little bit better.
Absolutely.
It's like, okay, I didn't mess up. I'm not alone. And that's the whole thing for the community. I want people knowing that you're not alone in this. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, we all want to see each other win. That's the best part. That's why this is, other than going to the gym, seeing people working out and like everyone's happy for each other, like, because we're all there for the same goal of becoming better. That's what the community is for as well. We're all here for the same goal, for us all to become better at the end of the day. And yeah, that's my little 2 cents. That's my little 2 cents I got. That's all I got. Maybe I'll get 50 cents later. We'll see. Alrighty. I see a bear flag right here, but I want to see a flag on a higher time frame, to be honest. Looking at that 5 minute as well. Yeah, today we just gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. Let's see. I want to see if we break through that yellow line on the chart I have there. With the follow through. I need follow through on it. Give me the follow through. Come on. Give me the follow through. It's like playing patty cake right now. Give me the waterfall. Let's go. I'll close that. Quick $200 right there. Did not like how it was like hovering right there.
Yeah, the little area looked like it was having a little hard time.
Yeah. Like I didn't like that. Honestly, I was lucky to get that 200 out because as you see, I just don't like that move right there. Don't like that move. All right. I got a trade. I have a growth account. Let's see. That I'm trying to get past as well. So I'm done trading my fundeds for the day. Up over $1,000. 152. Whoa, I didn't do that. Whoa, what in the world? What? Why is this glitching?
Where's G?
I'm right here.
Oh,
Right here.
I don't know why. Oh, because I have the little screens. Delete, close. I thought you left.
No, he didn't leave. He didn't leave. You know what I'm saying?
Left. Is Steve here?
Now let me pull every. Yeah. So he's off the stream right now. So.
Okay. I was waiting for the sucker.
So he'll be on it shortly. Whenever he drops off like that, he normally gets on pretty quick after, unless he's working on his truck or something like that. Alrighty. Yo, I'm still like in awe that the YouTube has gotten over 60,000 views in September.
That's awesome. Listen,
Crazy.
little
I
by
need,
little.
yeah, little by
Everybody
little.
starts with one,
What was that?
you know? Everyone starts with one follower.
No, 100%. Like this month alone, we got 83 more subscribers.
Nice.
So, but my whole thing is I gotta do better on putting out some better content, to be real. Only because I know better content there will help funnel people into the community. Oh, what did I click? That scared me for a second. I accidentally clicked my mouse, and sometimes I have it over like the buy and sell, so that got the heart pumping there slightly. Not gonna lie. Yeah, so that hasn't updated yet. I'm like, yeah, there's no way. Yeah, okay. That hasn't updated yet, so I'll wait. What are you guys thinking? We going up, we going down, or are we going all around? That's the question. Okay, I like that answer. I felt that one, gentlemen.
I think we're gonna drop.
Let's see if we get that drop. Let's see. This may be a bear flag right here. Gotta get that momentum to confirm it. We do have some selling pressure on the 2-minute candle. Just waiting. Like today the market hasn't been moving crazy. Like we've stayed in this 15-minute range so far for the day. We popped out briefly, but we went right back into it. So, and that was at what time was that? Yeah, 9:54. So, just waiting here, just waiting. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome. You're live with the Legacy Wealth Society. You'll hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the community. So hopefully you're staying safe in the markets. Made over $1,000 today. So switched over to one of my growth evals with Tradeify. Done trading my funded accounts. Waiting for the move here. All right, so we just pushed through that VWAP there. I would be slightly hesitant up here only because every time we got up here, we rejected. So let's see if we get some good follow through up here. We got to get through that 811 level in order for me to want to take a long here. Not trusting this area. Not trusting this area. For the person on YouTube, how long have you been trading? Let's see, are we getting ready to build out maybe like a potential bull flag? Be right there. Moose, are you still trading the funded account? You must be muted.
Hey, Duane.
Yeah.
You just got another funding ticks, right?
Yeah.
So, all right. I'm going to accounts and I don't see it there.
It'll take probably, since it's during the session, you may have to wait like 15 to 20 minutes for it to populate.
Okay. All right.
It doesn't happen right away like Tradeify.
Yeah.
But you'll get an email as well.
I did get email.
Okay. So is it on your dashboard? Is it already in your dashboard on funding ticks?
No. It's not
Okay.
there. It's not there. The other one that's there is the one I blew. The first one I blew.
Okay.
But I unlinked it because I unlinked it too. So
Yeah, just give it some time, and once it's in your dashboard, you'll be able to log in on your Ninja for that connection. It'll be there.
all right. 'Cause I have the confirmation.
Yeah, it just, for them, it moves a little bit slower sometimes, depending upon when you buy it. Sometimes it's extremely fast, and other times it's pretty slow, to be real.
I like the funding ticks, man, because
No, it's good. It's definitely cheaper. You know what I'm saying, for an all-in cost. For me, it's just one of those things where since you have to trade for 3 days, at that point, I'd rather trade on like a take profit trader for the full 5 for the daily payout. Because once you pass the eval, you have to trade it for 5 days to eval. And once you get transferred into your funded, say you make 3 grand in a day, you can pull out 1,000 off of that, since they have a buffer of like 2 grand. You have to trade it for 3 days, and they have a consistency rule. That's just to pass it. That's just to pass the eval.
How much you gotta make for those 3 days? Like three.
I think you just have to make like 2,500 or something like that for funding ticks. But you could trade it longer than the 3 days if needed. That's the cool part.
Right, that's good too.
So the minimum is 3, but there's no max on how many days to pass it. So sitting in between the VWAP and this 21 EMA. All right, there's the VWAP.
Guess it's there. Updated.
I'm wait. It's there now.
Yep. There.
Perfect.
So now I could just go to my. It's pretty much right there on my Ninja tree.
Yep.
Okay.
You'll just connect that connection, turn it on, and it should populate for you. Up here at this VWAP, once again, we got that wick on that candle now. So that area is definitely a resistance zone. Because every time we've gotten there, we've sold off.
You ever felt your feet get sweaty?
Not the feet getting sweaty. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm gonna turn on all my fans right now.
That means you're in a trade and you may be over leveraged.
I'm like, I'm literally 120 down though. I'm only 120 down right now.
Oh, that's not bad.
But I wanted to come down, obviously, you know. And I'm like, mother flower, just come down. Why are you playing with me right now? Sorry. let me mute myself, because let me yell a little bit.
Looking at the 2 minute, I see a nice big old bear flag. Big old bear flag. Let's see if we get follow through here.
Hey, if I have a stroke, just send my ambulance. Send the ambulance. I already have high blood pressure. Oh, I'm good. $25. Oh, I'm in profit. Man.
Locked in another 200 right there. Look at these wicks on this 5 minute chart. Look at those wicks right there. The selling pressure is real. I want to see if we get some like really good follow through here, because I want to try passing this growth account right now. If possible. Beggars can't be choosers, but if we could pass it, I'm not complaining. Just want to get through that yellow line on that 5 minute. Buyers trying to step in right here. Are they going to have enough to hold this price up?
Oh. What's going on, boy?
Didn't get the waterfall.
Yeah.
Want the waterfall here.
You be like, I'm trading right quick, but I'm good.
I gotta be patient. I gotta wait for this line to break here on that 5 minute.
On that 5 minute, right?
Yep, that's what I'm waiting for right now.
Dang, what happened to Steve?
His kids may have came home something. That's normally when he jumps off, is if someone pulls up to his house.
Uh-oh.
Or he may have like an animal in his yard that he's chasing off so they don't get the chickens.
It's that sucker.
All right, Bulls stepping in there.
Ooh, yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Did not get that follow through that line.
Oh, patiently wait then. Wait. Bro.
Another candle with a big wick on top. These when this breaks, all I know is it's going to be like quick. It's going to be quick.
Oh, whenever you see a big wick like that, so that means what's gonna go down or up?
So right now we have a lot of selling pressure.
Right now, yep.
The Bulls are trying to push this price up. But if the Bears keep stepping and holding this price down, when they break through the line, it's going to be a quick sell to the downside. Because we got 3 candles on that 5 minute with long wicks on top. So that means selling pressure. I'm just not trying to jump in front of a moving train. Like, I want to be able to jump in with the correct flow. All right, pushing towards that VWAP. Just tap the middle of that 15-minute range once again. I need the Bears to step in hard right here. Want to see a waterfall. We haven't had a waterfall in a little bit now, so need a waterfall. All right, VWAP touch right there. Another VWAP touch. We paused at that 800 level right there. We paused at that 800. Let's see if we build out bull flag up here. Looking at this 2 minute, right back down to that VWAP right there. Man, we are literally going sideways right now. Looking at this 15 minute range for the day. Not a big fan. Whenever this refreshes, come on. There we go. Literally just going sideways right now. Middle of the 15-minute range, and we're going sideways. So, let's wait to see what we get. Selling pressure trying to build again. Through that 21 EMA right there. Tapping that 21 once again. It's 10:36. I'm probably going to be getting off at 11 o'clock sharp today, especially with us just going sideways. Well, actually, I take that back. Trump is speaking at 11 today. So we should get some movement. We should get some movement today when Trump's speaking. Right now, market's just going sideways. So trade at your own risk. I'm up over $1,000 in my funded accounts. So we'll take it. No real trades yet to take, only because we're going sideways. We need some follow through on some momentum and flag, something. Welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome. Glad you tuned in. All right, there we go. Sorry, there's some momentum right there. Let's see. I want us to clear. What level's that? 761 level to potentially take a short. Every time we've gotten down to that 761 area, we've bounced up here. So, want to see what happens.
That's exactly what happened. As soon as it touched that, was 761. Bounced right up.
Well, the market repeats itself. That's the cool part about it.
So right now it's in the 60s, 61.
Did not get the fill I wanted right there. So I may get ready to kill this one.
As soon as it's about to go low, those buyers just step right in.
Yep.
Come on, go lower. Go low. Go on. Come on. Right. That little push down a little bit more. Consolidation.
If the bears don't push, I'll close this. Not trying to give it too much air to breathe.
I'm almost to the point I'm ready to walk away. No, I went green on it, which is good, right? But I don't. It's dancing too much.
Yeah.
You know. To wait for another setup, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that.
No. Hey, if you're feeling like you should walk away, walk away.
Yep.
Just walk away. Come back tomorrow.
There's a saying when I used to take a foods class because, in my mind I was gonna do everything for the ladies, right? So girls love when you can cook. So ever since high school, regardless, right? Anyway, I took a foods class and said, when in doubt, toss it out. Same aspect.
When in doubt, toss it out. Love that.
He is going up. Thank God. Thank God I got out of there.
That was on my growth account eval. So
yeah.
That's why I was letting it breathe. I was pushing it past it. But when Trump speaks today, I will be getting, I have a couple evals, everything like that with Apex that I'll probably just get past pretty quick.
Yeah, when he speaks, it's gonna move, whatever direction, but it's gonna move.
Oh, 100%. And I'll probably copy trade for that one, to be real. Let's see. 153.
Hey, listen, when you can, not now, but maybe next week, we could help me. You could help me figure out how to copy trade. I know there's a setting you got to put on.
Okay. Yeah.
Setting.
I got you on that. I don't normally copy trade, but when I do, it's only for special occasions.
Yeah. I used to do it on MetaTrader.
Okay. I remember trading on MetaTrader back in the day when I was trying to learn the Forex.
Yep. I was on MT4 and MT5.
Welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome, guys or gals. Currently, we're waiting for Trump to speak at 11 o'clock today.
Trump about to start talking at 11.
Up over $1,000 in my funded accounts today, so $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. That's my saying. I'm gonna stick to it. I have to go get my knee checked. I'm gonna have to figure out where to go see a doctor. Yeah, I have no clue.
Yo, what up?
What was that, G?
Damn, yo, still on phone?
Your knee, for your knee.
Yeah, I gotta figure out where I want to go to get it checked.
Probably orthopedic, right?
Yeah. I gotta see which ones I have around on my side of town. Too. 442. What's that? Yeah, that's it. I'm debating. All right, back above that VWAP. Let's see if we build out another bull flag. We did build one right here. And this line wants to come over. So we did have that flag. And the market always repeats itself. So if the bulls are going to push, we'll get another flag here. 805 currently, 805. If we can stay above this whole number, we may keep trending up. Slightly tempted since we're above that whole number. Let's see how we react at this 811 level. Because if we get above it, I'll probably take a long. Trump is speaking at 11. So waiting for that. All right, there's 811. All right, there we go. Starting to push. Finally getting some movement here. All the way up to that pivot point. Wow. Let's see. Do we get above that pivot? All right, right back into that 15-minute range like we always do for those breakouts. We'll pop out, come right back into it. We just got to get above that pivot point. First target to the upside would be 875. But I won't target that till we get above that pivot point at the 836 level. Let's see, we're above that 15-minute range. But I want to get above that pivot to take a long. All right, we're still in that 15-minute range again. Ten more minutes here. For 11 o'clock, Trump should be speaking, so tempted to wait around, see how the market moves. Any big plans for you guys today, or everyone's just chilling today?
Chilling.
We'll take it. Have another bull flag print right there on that 1 minute time. Want to get above that pivot point. Still not getting above that pivot yet, man. But definitely printing a flag right there. That's a very easy one to see. But want to get above that pivot. Still not above that pivot, so patiently waiting once again. Today's been a very uneventful trading session, I'll say. Because we may just consolidate all the way till Trump starts speaking. So I see another flag on the 2-minute. Want to get above that pivot. Until we do, I'm not taking a trade. Come on, market. Give us something here. My eyes are starting to hurt watching this. All right, there we go. Tap that pivot point. Alrighty. Let's see if we get the follow through here. Quick $100 right there. We know it likes to pop up, retest that pivot. That's why I just closed out, so that way I'm not sitting in drawdown. Let's see. retesting that pivot point. Honestly, I recommend everyone just waiting. I'm probably just going to get off at 11. I know Trump's going to be speaking, but the way the market's been moving, I'm already done with my funded. So there's no reason for me to sit around and potentially lose evals or lose money in my fundeds. GM Moose. I'm just honestly, I'm gonna be getting off here. Right. Market's not really moving, and I'm not trying to risk anything at this point. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully it moves better. We have more news coming out tomorrow for the next couple of days, so we should get some better action. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, have a good rest of your day. And for everyone that's still on the YouTube, I appreciate you tuning in. And I hope that you enjoyed the session, even though the market really wasn't moving. And we'll be back tomorrow. Stay blessed, stay safe, and see you later.